This is Sophie, you guys. If this is your first time on my YouTube channel, please subscribe on my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram at Sophie Clairvoyant because I am posting daily messages there for love, angel, and universe. And it's my birth month, you guys. At least it's gonna be your birthday gift to me. Okay, thank you so much for subscribing and following. Thank you. On this video, guys, we're gonna talk about what are the feelings of your soulmate towards you, Aries. However, before we're gonna start, I wanna make sure that my reading will resonate with you. So we're gonna check on what were your feelings towards your soulmate last week, Aries. At least if I am accurate with that, then more or less I am 80 to 90% accurate when it comes to the feelings of your soulmate towards you. Are we good? Is it a deal? Okay, it's a deal. Let us start. What were your feelings towards your soulmate last week? For sure, you know already, guys. These are your feelings, okay? These were your feelings, I mean, last week. For sure, you remember, right? Let me see. What were your feelings? Okay, so these were your feelings towards your soulmate last week, Aries. Okay, soulmate. First things first, I can sense last week you were frustrated, disappointed. I heard heartbreak. There was a heartbreak last week because of misinterpretation, miscommunication. A lot of words have been thrown out, a lot of drama. You know, Aries, you love drama so much. A lot of drama was happening to the point like you are throwing different words towards each other that it hurts already, and it seems like you cannot take it anymore. You did something drastic and stuff like that. Okay, so it seems like you were having a hard time last week, maybe because of the Venus on retrograde, full moon on full moon also last week, strawberry full moon, then lunar eclipse. Imagine three different energies being thrown at you. For sure it will have an effect. Okay, maybe it led to more paranoia, guys. Okay, another thing, another feeling that you had towards your soulmate last week is that, wow, even though you're the type of person who reacts right away, it seems like, Aries, you were able to control yourself. Wow, you were doing a lot of self-discipline. Okay, you really discipline yourself to the point that you were able to control yourself, to control the drama, to control the situation. Because if you're not able to do it, chances are you might lose your soulmate during that time. Okay, so you were so fast to get back into your own 2 feet and be able to control the situation, and at least there's not much damage that had been going on last week. You were able to control. Like, just imagine like there's a fire. You are the fire, okay, Aries, and then good thing there's enough water to shut up. Good thing there's enough water to cool you down, to turn you off, and then that's where you were disciplining yourself. Because again, it seems like you want this soulmate for you and you don't want to lose this soulmate. No wonder you were doing a lot of controlling, disciplining yourself. Okay, another thing also last week, Aries, it seems like you were tapping into your psychic abilities, into your intuition, into your higher self. It seems like you were talking to your higher self, a lot of messages that you had been getting with regard to the situation between you and your soulmate. You were so attuned to your intuition, to the point that you were getting a lot of messages, and it might be clouded because again of this one, but nevertheless you were so strong enough to listen to it, and it helped you big time, totally helped you big time, in order to resolve the situation, and in order for you to control what is really happening between you and your soulmate. Okay, so these were your feelings towards your soulmate last week. If it resonates, guys, so hang on, because we will proceed on the next reading. If it resonates, so meaning I am accurate 80% to 90% with regard to the feelings of your soulmate towards you this week. Okay, now let's check your soulmate. What are the feelings of your soulmate towards you? Okay, feelings of your soulmate towards you, Aries. Okay. It seems like Aries, you're having a soulmate who happens to be a stalker. Wow, I do not know if you want this. If you want this, then you're gonna go, be happy. But if it's like bothering you already, I'm not sure anymore. Okay, it seems like your soulmate is someone who's also a little bit childish or immature, regardless of age. Okay, it seems like your soulmate this week is having the vibe of immaturity, childish, and drama as well. Still drama is there. And I can sense also, Aries, it seems like your soulmate wants to have a sense of security that it is him or her that you want and no other person. No wonder your soulmate is really like going towards stalking you. So if your soulmate is like can be awake 24/7, then your soulmate will do the stalking 24/7, or maybe install CCTV camera towards your head, guys, so that your soulmate will be able to see what you are doing. Wow. I heard you might be having a soulmate. Oh, you might be having a soulmate who is like obsessive and compulsive. Obsessive, possessive, compulsive kind of soulmate. Wow, let me see first. It's all good. Okay. Next, when it comes to your soulmate towards you, if you're wondering if your soulmate is really into you, I can sense that your soulmate has these strong vibes. Yeah, strong vibes, guys, of really like into you, super consistent. It's so unreal. It's so stable. You, Aries, you're not stable, right? Because you're a fire energy. Guess what? This person very stable. He or she even will show to you in words and in actions that totally he or she is really into you consistently, not just once but twice, but every single day, even every minute of the day. If your soulmate can do that, he or she really wants to let you know about it. Okay, that's what I'm sensing, guys. You're having a soulmate who's very into you, consistently into you. Wow, hands down to you. You really found someone who's really into you, guys. Wow, congratulations. And I got a feeling your soulmate might want to have some sense of security coming from you, Aries. Okay, so be careful on this one. No wonder this person might be into you like 24/7, because maybe this person is insecure and wants to have some sense of assurance that it is him or her that you really wanted and no one else. Okay, another feeling of your soulmate towards you, it seems like your soulmate has a broader perspective, seeing you guys having a lot of opportunities together. Even though you guys are not having a good connection this week, like maybe because of certain challenges, but your soulmate is very positive, optimistic, that when it comes to your connection, there will be a lot of opportunities that both of you can prove towards each other that you truly love each other. Okay? Yes. It seems like your soulmate is a type of person like if I fail right now, I will do another thing until I succeed. Try and try and try until you succeed. Yeah. You will only stop trying when you're dead. That's the kind of motto that your soulmate is having, you guys. Okay? So these are the feelings of your soulmate towards you, Aries. And let me tell you, these are just an abstract one because there's no way we will be able to verify it, because only your soulmate can really attest to these feelings of her or his feelings, guys. But however, if you want to know more, you can always book a reading with me for the moves, because moves are the only thing we can see via 3D. Yeah, via the physical world. If you are impatient, book with me right now. However, if not, I will always be here, guys, because I'm also uploading the next moves of your soulmate towards you. Okay, all you need to do is subscribe on my YouTube channel. And follow me on Instagram because I'm gonna upload their thumbnails when the playlists are uploaded already. At least you are aware. Okay, thank you so much, Aries, and it's my birth month, you guys. Please subscribe and follow me on Instagram. Let it be your birthday gift towards me. Okay, thank you so much, Aries. Sending you energies of love, 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 and abundance, abundance, abundance.